Assalamu alaikum everybody and welcome to this channel Brightways. Mates, if you want to sound a bit British, this video will help you with this. In this video, I'll give you a flavor of how Brits genuinely speak in terms of words, sentences, and of course pronunciation. So keep watching this video till to end. But guys, if you didn't subscribe this channel yet, then it's the right time to subscribe and click the bell notification icon also. Cheers. So guys, to sound more like a British, then let's get straight to the first word list. The first word is alright. Alright, meaning, hey, how are you? Duty. Duty. Or you may can say dewey. Dewey. Example sentence. He does his duty honestly. Or he does his duty honestly. That's rubbish. That's rubbish. Meaning, I don't believe you. Fiancé. Fiancé. He called her fiancé. Water. Water. Or you may can say water. Water. The water was too hot to drink. Or the water was too hot to drink. Advertisement. Advertisement. He handed the advertisement to Louis. Sammy. Sammy. She's working in a semi-government department. Tomato. Tomato. These are the best tomatoes I've ever had. Mobile. Mobile. I like Samsung Mobile. Mate. Mate. Meaning friend. Alright mate, how you doing? Whatever. Whatever. Do whatever you want. Stupid. Stupid. I did a stupid thing last night. Fancy. Fancy. Meaning want to or feel like. Cooper. Cooper. Meaning cup of tea. Fancy a Cooper? Meaning would you like a cup of tea? Do you fancy doing something tonight? Meaning, do you feel like doing something tonight? Or do you want to do something tonight? Address. Address. What's your full address, please? Bloody. Bloody. Meaning very or used for emphasize. Bloody hell is used to express anger. Well, that was a bloody awful, wasn't it? That's bloody brilliant. This game is bloody awful. Cheers. Cheers. Meaning thank you, or people say just before they have a drink. Cheers for the ride home. Meaning thank you for the ride home. I'm knackered. I'm knackered. Meaning I'm tired. I'm tired. Better. Better. Or you may can say better. Better. I sleep better if the room is really dark. City. City. Or you may can say city. City. She lives in a big city. Or she lives in a big city. Massage. Massage. His massage treatment to replace the muscle was really effective. Course. Course. Chemistry course was interested. All. All. The teacher revived all the tenses. Adult. Adult. Who's the adult here? Herb. Herb. They can be safer, but some herbs can be toxic. So guys, thank you very much for watching and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Stay in touch.